What is going on, everybody? Well, today we're at Paul Cuffaro's house. We're actually going to be checking out some really cool stuff that he's got going on around here. First off, I'm going to show, what is this in my shirt? Come on, bro. What are you doing? Oh, look at that. So we're gonna be walking around and checking out some things that Paul's been working on. See what's going on around here. We hadn't been here in a few months, and you know, you'll see some clips in this video also. We went and hung out with Jiggin With Jordan and did some things with him, which was fantastic. So really appreciate that, Brandon. And you know, appreciate you, Paul, for letting us always hang out and being so hospitable. I will say, Paul is such a good guy and really takes care of his animals. I mean, such a great guy. But anyway, let's get around here and check out what's going on. All right, Brenton, you want to get some drone footage?
Yep, no,
yeah, let's do that. All right, guys, so well, Paul invited Brenton and I out to his house because he's building this pond, but this thing is epic. It's like 20 foot long, 8 foot wide, 3 foot deep. It's gonna hold about 3,590 gallons of water. I'm assuming that we're gonna put like a native wild caught Australian Brenton in there and maybe fill it with, hi Brenton. Brenton's my cameraman today. You know, you really feel like you've made it when you have somebody like Finatic who is willing to be your cameraman. I mean, that's pretty epic, right? That's awesome. Hey guys, but yeah, I don't know what he's gonna put in there, but I'm sure we'll be back at some point where he's gonna show us what's going in there. I mean, he's got this new pool pond, which I'm sure if you guys subscribe to Paul, and if you haven't, make sure you go do it. But this is his new pool pond that has some massive things in it. In fact, there's an Oscar right there, look at that. Hey little buddy. Yeah, we're just looking around stuff here. We're probably gonna head out to Predatory Fins. I'm gonna show you some footage from last night. We hung out with Brandon Jordan, which if you don't know who Brandon Jordan is Jiggin With Jordan. He's the, you know, like, what would you call him?
Infamous diver.
Hey, look at that. Brenton's like pulling words out of his vocabulary. He is the infamous treasure hunter, Jiggin With Jordan. Hangs out with, you know, D Almighty and Yappy Twan and those guys. But we went out and hung out with him last night, shot some guns, and I'm sure some of you probably aren't like big into guns, but listen, I hunt, I have guns. We literally shot some epic guns. In fact, to shoot a gun that I have always wanted to shoot, and it was amazing. So you'll see that footage.
Oh my God, dude. That's insane.
That's the best $10 worth of ammunition you could have ever spent. Right now we're gonna walk around, take a look at a couple of things Paul's doing out here, and then all right, so we're looking at Boots here real quick, and unfortunately poor little Boots broke his leg somehow, and Paul had to take him to the vet. They had to do surgery. I mean, like, it was a pretty serious break. I mean, he's doing fantastic. I just want to address something real quick. I mean, the last few times I put videos out on my channel that have to do with Paul, people always are in the comments negative talking about Paul, and I have to say, I mean, listen.
Ow. 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 Ow, stop. Ow. Ow. Ow.
The dude takes great care of his animals. I mean, he literally spends hours upon hours a day outside with enrichment with these guys and feeding and caring. I mean, Paul's a great guy. He's super hospitable, such a friendly dude. And I mean, look, you just saw in the intro what he let me film it before he even filmed it. So make sure you go subscribe to Paul. Such a good guy. And once again, Paul, thanks for letting us hang out and film. Old Paul Cuffaro peeking through the blinds. Would you like to join us, Paul? He's just gonna come through the window. It's just the way stuff works around here.
Oh my.
How you doing, buddy? It's nice to see you. He's got the COVID. I'm just kidding. All right, well, if you've never seen this is Paul Cuffaro's Hexaloxa pond. Yeah. And basically what we have in here is we have an entire herd. Do you see the herd right here? It's absolutely amazing. What we have here are long fin Danios, which I don't know if you've ever seen them this big, but it's crazy that he's able to actually breed these and produce long fin Danios that are about a pound a piece. And in fact, we may have some of these for lunch today. And back here, what we have is, oh, there's the buffalo. What? The buffalo. The great white buffalo. Do you see the buffalo? Do you understand what happened the last time we were here? Like, the last time we were here, this thing almost attacked and took Brenton's leg off. In fact, roll that clip right here.
Hi, Arnold. Looks like a bear. It looks vicious.
All right, can you do me a favor?
Ride him.
No, don't ride him, but can you go give him a hug and a kiss and tell him you love him, please? Oh, he likes that. I guarantee you he does not have the speed and agility to flip around. He's kind of like me. Why are you laughing? What is that over there?
A chicken is piggyback riding a chicken.
I'm sorry, Max. What was that? What was happening?
A chicken was piggyback riding another chicken.
Did you hear that, Brenton?
Chicken was piggyback. I don't think. Yeah, that's what he was doing.
Yep.
And here is wild Brenton Zeckley wrangling one large boar with tusks.
No, that's it. That's the end of it. That's the end of
That's
it.
it?
That's
Okay.
it. That's the
Moving on to the next
No,
enclosure.
the tour is done.
That almost killed him.
Yeah.
Oh my God, do you see this right here? That is the largest pig turd I've ever seen.
Oh my lord.
Freaking mosquitoes here right now. I mean, it's like 85 degrees and what month is this? November? And the mosquitoes are like the size of freaking crows. Like, I'm pretty sure the mosquitoes could take Gary down, which in fact, if they're going to, we should probably go ahead and just schedule it where we take Gary and Bobby at the same time. I'm gonna get the Zika virus. You think you can get the corona from the mosquitoes?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That's been proven?
Yes.
I don't think so. I think Trump said we can. Like, I got Brenton here with me. Hi, Brenton.
Hey,
How you doing?
it's just one of those days, man.
I know, it is just one of those
It's
days,
actually
isn't
hot.
It
It's like
is very...
it's cold in Texas, but it's hot here.
Right. Well, that's why we came, though, is because it
That's
was
actually
warm,
very
right?
good.
But we have to take a look at Paul's new pond that he's building. I mean, this thing is actually pretty sick. So here is Paul's new pond. This thing is crazy big. It is 8 foot wide by 20 foot long and 3 foot deep. And if I do the quick calculations there, that is approximately 480 feet cubed, and at 7.841 gallons per cubic foot, that is approximately 3,590 gallons. What?
You're a calculator.
I am.
You're
Just
literally-
don't ever, as we've talked about, don't ever try to cube an exaloxahoxagon. What do you think about it? It's good, right?
Nice little dent in the wallet, but it's all right. Gotta make investments, risky ones. I'm broke. I don't even know how. I don't have enough money for rent. I built the pond.
Oh, well, that, I mean, you could sleep in it, I guess, technically. Well, we have to moisturize the pond, so let's get to that. You ever moisturized your pond, Brenton?
Nope.
I haven't moisturized mine either, but apparently you have to. All right, we're moisturizing the pond. I could title this video, Helping Paul Cuffaro Build His New 4,000 Gallon Pond. And this is all I'm helping with, is this right here. Now, Paul, is this your first endeavor in moisturizing a pond?
First endeavor.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know why we have to moisturize the pond.
Keeps it from cracking.
Guys, we have to moisturize the pond. Hector said, moisturize the pond twice a day.
Can you grab the lotion?
Oh, the lotion?
The lotion.
Thank you for it.
Can you put the lotion in the box?
Put the lotion in the box.
Put the lotion in the
Oh,
box.
my dog just-
So what are you gonna put in this thing? We
Well,
didn't talk about it really.
This big pool pond has a ton of fish. A ton. You know? It's just green water because the filtration's garbage. So I bought bigger filtration, better filtration, and everything's getting set up in there. All these fish, there's platinum red tails in here, tiger shovel nose, I mean all sorts of stuff. All these fish, Oscars, pacu, everything are going into this pond once it's done. This pond's sick though. So yeah, it's a big old concrete pond. Once these wood walls come off, it'll just be the concrete wall. Silicone the inside, a blue color, like a baby blue. Do a tile, like a marble on the top here, and then like a rock. You know the modern houses, how they have that rock on the
Yeah,
side?
like stack,
Backsplash,
like
yeah,
stacked
it's like
rock.
right there. So that's what that's gonna be like, and then covered with fish, red tails, everything you could think of.
Shark, albino nose,
Yep.
carpet croaker.
Yes, albinos, carpet croaker is the first thing I'm getting.
You told me,
We had
huh?
a bet on that, and I won that.
Yeah,
And then
you
an
did.
albino stingaloid. That's
Singaloid. Where the hell do you find a
Those aren't illegal here?
that's Singapore.
Oh.
Singapore?
Singapore, you get a stingaloid.
get a
It's actually a
stingaloid.
shark, barracuda, and a tiger shovel nose mix.
A little hint of carpet croaker along with that. But...
Well, the carpet croaker is just in the fins of it.
Oh, okay, so it's really not that much of a
No, not really. All right, that's my pond.
That's awesome, dude. Well, listen, dude, as always, I appreciate you letting us hang out
course, man.
and film and, you know,
what a
being
firm handshake.
That was pretty solid.
being hospitable
Oh,
and,
my.
you know. But yeah, we appreciate it, buddy, as always.
Thanks for tuning into the video.
Bye.
See you next
Thanks,
time.
guys.
Hey, welcome back to another episode.
Hey, yeah. Well, actually, we're just going away. So I appreciate you guys watching today, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed or haven't followed,
Subscribe button.
yes, please click that, and we'll see you next time.
Ah!